I put on the power.
呢度有個開關，
Mm.
咁
Now
開
on. So here,
雙擊呢個，
you double time to click it 啦，double time. And start this software.
因為調試個咧係呢度要連續，所以
Continue to test 啊。The camera,
就我
the
要
camera, the picture. Continue.
將紙過嚟。
This one. 呢個係咪呢個撳錯咗冇撳錯呢個
呢個冇你咁樣。
？Okay. So we
嗰張紙
need to check this one on here. Go to the camera. The paper go to the camera here, inch into here. Now see the code in here. So this one is the code.
撳翻呢度呢個位置，撳呢個 tick 咯。呢個我
choose this one.
呢個我唔要嘅，我就清空。
No need this one. I clean first. Clean confirm to clean.
全部冇晒啦。
Clean all.
就我而家要頂呢個畫呢個二維碼嘅，就撳呢個
I need to check this one.
畫個圈。OK 啦，咁啊而家無言訓練，要訓練成功。
Trading. Trading for this code is okay now.
又嗰一張，
So this one okay. We check another one. 一樣係嘛？
而家一樣。
This one is same 啊。This one is same. The same code Go. Let the camera check it 啊。Can code pass by is no problem.